In this video, I will show you guys how to download and install Node.js locally in your computer. Follow me. First, you open Node.js website. You will find the link below in the description. Now click here to download Node.js for Windows. Otherwise, click here to download Node.js for macOS. After you download the Node.js installer, go ahead and open it. You will find it in the Downloads folder. Click Write, then Open.
3, 2, 1.
Click Next, accept the terms, then Next. Leave the file's location the same, just click Next. Same thing here. Here you don't actually have to download and install these tools to be able to work with Node.js. Just click Next, Install. Click Yes, and now we just have to wait the installation progress to finish. And that's it, Node.js has been successfully installed. Now you should add Node.js to your environment variables. Open File Explorer, go to Local Disk C, Program Files, Node.js, copy this path, search for env, click here, under System Variables, we should add a new environment variable for Node.js. Click New. The variable name is Node.js and the variable value is the path. Click OK, and that's it. To verify Node.js has been successfully installed in your computer, open Command Prompt, type node-v, hit Enter. When you get your Node.js version, Node.js has been successfully installed in your system. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.